Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SJ Fashion World. If you are new here, my name is Sarbjeet and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful day party makeup look in just few minutes. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. First I'm going to use Good Vibes Rose Glue Toner and let it dry for 1 minute. After that I'm using Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer all over my face and neck. For foundation, I'm using Inside Cosmetics Stay Matte Liquid Foundation in the shade Nude Beige and applying it all over my face and neck and blending it really well with the Damn Beauty blender. Now I'm using NYY Concealer in the shade Ivory 1 to conceal my dark circles and pigmentation areas and blending it really well with the Damn Beauty blender. If you don't have any dark circle or pigmentation problem, you can just skip this part. For contouring, I'm using NYB Contour Stick in the shade Roosevelt Dose 7 and blending it with the Damn Beauty blender. Contouring gives a nice dimension to your face. Now I'm setting my base using Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact in the shade Beige 03. For blush, I'm using Lakme Absolute Blush Duos in the shade Rose Blush and applying it on the apple of my cheeks and little bit on my nose to give it a sun-kissed look. Now using the same blush, I'm applying it all over my lids as an eyeshadow. I kept it very simple because I don't want a heavy eye makeup look. For highlighting the high points of my face, I'm using Wet n Wild MegaGlow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Now applying the Stay Quirky Kajal in the waterline of my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm again using the same Kajal. Now again I'm going to use the same kajal to fill in any gaps in my eyebrows to give it a nice and clear look. Now I'm going to smudge the kajal that I've applied in the waterline and also as the eyeliner using a small blending brush. For eyelashes, I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. For lips, I'm using a very beautiful mauve shade liquid lipstick from MAC. So here is the final day party makeup look. I hope you all love this makeup look and if you really like it, then do let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Love you all and I will see you soon with a new interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care.